Hi guys, today I am going to show you how easy it is to create a load balancer in Azure. I have used NGX in command line. NGX installation is straightforward, but the configuration is quite challenging. Load balance in Azure is so straightforward, and I will show you how we can add an internal interface facing our VM, our LAN network, and how we can create a public interface to allow a home user, for instance, user perspective, working from home, can access the web server via a load balancer IP. So let's crack on. I will show you my portal. So I am already there. So you can type load balancer from search box, and the icon will pop up for us, and then we will create uh, the load balancer. I am going to use my existing resource group. Um, if you want to find out what is a resource group and why I created, you can go back to my session 1 and have a look how I have explained this. So the instance detail, we will give our load balancer name, let's say my AA LB, and we leave all standard, and I will choose, and I am not sure public or internal. So if I click here, it says that a public load balancer can balance traffic originating from the public IP address. So the originating IP address will be, for my perspective, will be a public IP. So the load balancer has to load balance this traffic internally. So I am going to choose public and leave regional, yeah, fine. And the front IP configuration, I will I will give it a name, my AALB IP public, and we create the name my LB public IP. I'll leave we leave all the detail uh, by default. So we add and we click next. So for until now, what we have done, we have basically created a public IP interface, okay? And now we are going to tell load balancer to use a backend address, our network address that we created, Azure VNet, which we created in session 1. All right, so I will go back the portal, click backend, and I will add the backend pool, and I will give it a name, my AA backend pool, and my backend pool will be my AA VNet, my AA VNet, and my AA VNet is basically the Azure VNet is basically this domain. So my VM all are part of it, of this domain. In the next session, I will show you how we can uh, access the VM and add the load balancer to be part of this VM. All right. So let's go back session. So API configuration is fine. We don't really need uh, to do this. I'll show you later. You can select the both virtual machine from here, basically, if you want to. All right. This is another way you can add. You can you make sure that the two VM is part um, of of the backend of the load balancer. Okay. There is another way you can do by um, I'll show you in the next in the next session. I think it's best. Um, for now, we can cancel and then save inbound rule. We don't need to create any inbound rule here. Okay. So I think what best is I can show you here. If we go to the backend pool, um, no, we don't have that. It's fine. Inbound rule, outbound rule. And that's it, guys. We just created a load balancer in Azure. So in the next session, um, I will show you how we can um, assign a load balancer to a VM. All right, and there is a two-way. There is several way to do that. For now, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to motivate me to create more video for you guys. Thanks a lot and have a good day.